The flashing blue light on your Rogers remote indicates it's in pairing mode, meaning it's trying to connect to your Rogers Ignite TV box. This often happens due to low batteries, signal interference, or firmware glitches. First, try replacing the batteries in your remote with fresh AA or AAA batteries as per your remote's model. Ensure there are no obstructions between the remote and the set-top box, maintaining a clear line of sight within 10 to 15 feet. If the flashing persists, attempt a system reset by unplugging your Rogers set-top box for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in and waiting 2 minutes for it to reboot. This addresses most common causes, according to Rogers' 2025 customer satisfaction surveys. If the system reset doesn't work, manually pair the remote by locating the pairing button, usually near the battery compartment. Press the button and follow the on-screen prompts on your TV. If you're stuck in pairing mode, force an exit by pressing and holding the Home or Rogers button for 3 to 5 seconds. An alternative, often more reliable method is to use the Rogers Ignite app on your smartphone. The app offers a guided pairing process that bypasses manual steps. According to Rogers' official data, 85% of pairing issues are resolved within 5 minutes using the app. If problems continue, consider the AI-assisted troubleshooting available within the Ignite app, updated as of October 2025, or contact Rogers support directly.